Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word workingmen. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The workingmen protested against the company's decision to cut their wages. Workingmen refers to men who are employed and earn wages for their labor, typically in manual or industrial jobs requiring physical work. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.